I was sent this organizer case for pocket knives and asked you my opinion on it. Make this short video. So let's see how this works. It's got double zippers, hard shell case on both sides. This one's in green. They have other colors. Got a pretty good nylon stitched handle with Velcro so you can connect them together. If you fill this up with knives, it's going to be heavy, so you're going to want to be able to hold it. You can see how they have organized these retaining straps. You get 6 on this side here, another rows of 6 on the back side, and in the center there's another panel with 4 on this side and 4 on this side. It's got dividers so they don't scratch. When this panel is loaded and this panel is loaded, this will be in between them. Works really well. Just take whatever knives you want to display here, just slide them through and they'll connect in like that. Do all shapes and sizes. You can even, for the longer ones, double them up across 2 of the straps like that. And that's how you do it. You just connect them all in there. As many pocket knives as you get in your collection, you got plenty of room. I have another one of these cases full of knives, and I was able to fill it up with 84 pocket knives. In some cases, I doubled them up, kind of went like this, where a skinnier knife would fit with another one. I just doubled them up like that and was able to get more in there. But yeah, 84 is what I have in my other case. Pretty cool set. I really like this, and I'll be expanding into this one too. Hope that helps. Have a great day.